The game-changing BYD's Blade Battery will shut down the EV industry. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video from AlphaTechs. If you're a fan of all things electric and keeping up with the world's transition to electric vehicles, you must watch this video about BYD's Blade Battery that'll reform the EV industry. Let's begin. BYD Europe believes that their new Blade Battery, which it described as game-changing, will usher in a new age of safety and performance for Europe's electric vehicle sector. With EV adoption picking up throughout the world, the Blade Battery's ultra-safe qualities set it apart from traditional lithium iron phosphate battery technology, and also, according to BYD, provides it a major competitive advantage in the EV market. The newly released specification for BYD's new 7-seat 2021 model BYD Tang SUV, the first car powered by BYD's newest battery technology for the Norwegian market, features the company's new Blade Battery. The BYD Tang had a successful market launch in Norway in 2020, and BYD is optimistic that the new Blade Battery will give a compelling reason for buyers to purchase 2021 versions. The 2021 BYD Tang model will go into production in Norway in the second quarter of 2021, with the first car scheduled to touch Norwegian roads in late summer. New design, the innovative new Blade Battery brings new levels of safety to the electric vehicle market today. The Blade Battery delivered extremely outstanding class-leading test results following an extensive development program. A demanding nail penetration test verified the Blade Battery surface temperature achieved a surprisingly low 30 degree to 60 degrees Celsius while releasing no smoke or flames. The Blade Battery was also put through a 300 degrees Celsius furnace test and a 260% overcharging test, none of which resulted in a fire or an explosive response. The findings showed that the Blade Battery outperformed standard ternary lithium batteries and lithium iron phosphate technology significantly. The Blade Battery single-cell design is very small, measuring just 96 centimeters long, 9 centimeters wide, and 135 centimeters tall. These single cells are then arranged in an array and put into a Blade-style battery pack. BYD engineers also reduced the cubic volume of the battery installation by half, freeing up space for vehicle stowage and other ancillary equipment. This small design, combined with class-leading safety credentials, gives BYD a significant competitive advantage and, more importantly, represents a significant step forward for the whole EV sector. Outstanding performance aside from its obvious safety benefits, BYD's Blade Battery also produces a lot of electricity. The Blade Battery has a range of 1.2 million kilometers after 3,000 charging-discharging cycles, while the Blade Battery-powered BYD Tang has a single charge range of 505 kilometers NEDC and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4.6 seconds. With a DC power output of 110 kilowatts, the BYD Tang's Blade Battery installation recharges from 30% to 80% of full capacity in an astonishingly quick 30 minutes. The BYD Blade Battery is in a class by itself with its mix of safety, extended life cycle, and enormous single-charge range capabilities. Chongqing's intelligent manufacturing plant, the Blade Battery, is made in BYD's ultra-modern intelligent production plant in Chongqing, China, which has an annual production capacity of 20 gigawatts and costs $1.3 billion. Only similar LCD production facilities have such stringent cleaning requirements, with moisture levels accurately managed and a steady temperature of 25 degrees Celsius maintained. Our new Blade Battery is a game-changer for the EV industry, said Isbran Ho, BYD Europe Managing Director. Our highly trained team of engineers has worked tirelessly to offer even greater levels of safety, which is a critical criterion for passenger vehicle purchasers. Over 25 years of experience in rechargeable battery research has resulted in the Blade Battery, he added, combining the newest technology with the latest in innovative thinking and production techniques. The BYD Blade Battery is intended to revolutionize the electric vehicle market. With the delivery of its 1,000th Tang SUV to Norway, BYD has reached another major milestone in its electric journey into the European passenger car market. BYD, the world's top energy vehicle (NEV) manufacturer and battery technology pioneer, has dispatched a new batch of 450 units to meet customer demand for its pure electric Tang SUV. 1,500 Tang SUVs are expected to be delivered to Norway by the end of the year, according to BYD. This follows a successful debut in Norway in June, which included the delivery of 100 BYD Tang SUVs. RSA, BYD's well-known distributor in Norway, conducted the first customer handover event in August. RSA provides sales, after-sales, parts, and service assistance to BYD Tang customers across the country through its 43 established dealers in key cities. The Tang SUV is a thrilling and elegant pure electric all-wheel drive vehicle with class-leading technology, including a groundbreaking 86.4 kilowatt ultra-safe blade battery. The 7-seater Tang SUV is uncompromising in every aspect, from design to practicality and performance, with a range of 528 kilometers WLTP city and 400 kilometers WLTP combined, and a remarkable acceleration of 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.6 seconds. With a 110 kilowatt DC charger, rapid charging from 30% to 80% battery capacity may be completed in about 30 minutes. An 8-year, 160,000 kilometer extended battery warranty adds to the customer's peace of mind. All-wheel drive is standard on the BYD Tang, ensuring excellent performance and handling. Petros Petropoulos signs a dealer agreement with BYD to provide and service e-trucks in Greece. Rotterdam is a city in the Netherlands. BYD, the world's top new energy vehicle (NEV) manufacturer, has agreed to sell and service BYD e-trucks in Greece through Petros Petropoulos. Following the deal with the long-established transportation specialist, emissions-free pure electric e-trucks will be rolled out across Greece. First from their two main hubs in Athens and Thessaloniki. BYD is pioneering the use of pure electric battery technology to deliver emissions-free transportation and a substantially lower total cost of ownership in response to a rapidly rising need for sustainable transportation solutions, or TCO. BYD's e-trucks are intended to meet the demands of operators in important weight categories across a wide variety of applications. Petros Petropoulos, based in Athens, is known for representing world-renowned companies. Customers in Greece will be able to purchase the whole range of BYD e-trucks, as well as a complete after-sales and customer support service. The ET-P3 panel van built for urban distribution operations, the ET-M6 cargo vehicle perfect for inner-city distribution, the ET-H8 distribution truck, and lastly, the EYT yard tractor for port terminals and sites operation will be among the BYD models available in Greece. BYD pure electric cars provide long driving ranges, reduced noise pollution for city and nighttime operation, and zero emissions, making them a good step toward a cleaner, healthier environment. BYD e-trucks and e-vans are presently being ordered by Petros Petropoulos, with deliveries beginning in early 2022. They are well known in Greece as industry and market specialists, and their understanding of the market, customers, and aftercare assistance makes them the perfect dealership partner for BYD. This comes at a critical time for commercial transportation providers who are looking for innovative energy solutions to help them decrease their carbon footprints. We are thrilled to be the dealer in Greece for BYD e-trucks and e-vans, which means we can now provide a choice of fully electric zero-emissions options for our business clients who are environmentally friendly, says Petros Polakakis, business unit manager at Petros Petropoulos. We will provide first-class aftercare assistance to all our fleet and company operators aiming to minimize their operating expenses while increasing vehicle utilization through our 9 sites distributed through important cities, including Scantrack in Athens and Savatas in Thessaloniki. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for much more exciting content.